Mr. Speaker, that inquiry will be useless unless they waive cabinet confidence and allow Canadians to know the whole story. And really, the stakes couldn't be higher for Canadians, given that their charter rights are at risk with this unprecedented invocation of the Emergencies Act. And to be clear, for Canadians at home, the emergency powers allow government to freeze your bank account, seize your assets, suspend your charter rights, all without due process. And that is why there's an extraordinarily high threshold needed to invoke it, Mr. Speaker. The Minister of Public Safety said today that he'll be upfront and transparent with Canadians. But if that's the case, why not waive cabinet confidence? Or are they hiding something, Mr. Speaker?
The Honourable Minister of Emergency Preparedness.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. I'm very pleased to respond to the member's question, because I can assure her that under the Public Inquiries Act, the Commissioner of this inquiry will have very broad authorities, the ability to compel witnesses and to compel the production of documents, subject, as always, to lawful privileges of evidence that may exist, but he'll have the ability to call the evidence required, and we have great confidence in Justice Rouleau in this inquiry to get the information and the facts that this House and Canadians require.
Mr. Speaker, in 2015, the Prime Minister promised to run the most open and accountable government ever. We all remember his sunny ways. Scandal after scandal, crisis after crisis, he proved that it was just another broken promise. In the latest saga of the Prime Minister's dizzying mismanagement and misuse of the Act, the government is now refusing to hand over to the federal court basic information about what information led to the use of the Act under the guise of cabinet confidentiality. This is not how a real democracy works. What is the Prime Minister hiding this time from Canadians?
The Honourable Minister of Emergency Preparedness.
Mr. Speaker, let me assure the member opposite that we are complying with all of the court's direction with respect to the provision of evidence. However, the member is also probably aware that there are certain information, such as lawyer-client privilege, which is respected and well established in the law in this country. And so, Mr. Speaker, we will follow the law as it pertains to the conduct of that case and the public inquiry.